The news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today informed the House that there are 39 individual consultants and 69 consultancy firms. He was responding to a question raised by Meghalaya MLA Bright Starwell Marbanyang during the ongoing budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Sangma said the total emoluments paid annually cannot be determined due to the heterogeneity of period of payment amongst the departments and scope of work and timeline of project. The Chief Minister noted that while the government is working on developing local talent, they have engaged consultancy firms to ensure timely document submissions and avoid losing funding.
I would like to specifically know from the Honorable Chief Minister, like from his reply to the question A, with regards to individual consultant, there are 39 and consultancy firm 69. So may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, out of these consultants, whether individual or firm, how many are local and how many are from outside?
And based on the position and the responsibility that one works on, the payments and the salaries are there, whether you're from outside or whether you're from here, that is how it is. And for this, we have to prepare DPRs with so many technical specifications, which sometimes is beyond our officials also, and therefore we get the experts. We have to ensure that our own local boys and girls who are qualified are able to slowly or even quickly come up to that level where we are able to make the DPRs and projects at a level which is competing in the world standards and at the national standards.